So, what is internet marketing and why should you care? Well, internet marketing simply entails promoting your business on the web. Any marketing activity that is carried out online is considered internet marketing, and that includes search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, PPC advertising, influencer marketing, press releases, email marketing, and more. These various pillars of internet marketing can each help you to bring more visitors to a website or a blog, and that in turn gives you the opportunity to promote your business and hopefully drive conversions, in other words, turning visitors into customers. What makes internet marketing so effective is that it doesn't have to cost a huge amount to be successful. Now, you can spend an awful lot on SEO and content marketing and thereby try to get your site to the top of Google. But sometimes it just takes one smartly placed link to drive huge amounts of traffic to your site. And if you're willing to put in consistent time and effort, then anyone can build a massive, loyal audience, then thereby become a big influencer in their niche. Thus, internet marketing is the great equalizer. Marketing no longer requires a huge budget. It's now something that you can do just as well as the largest corporations, as long as you're smart with it. Internet marketing has other advantages too. It allows you to actually engage with your audience, for instance. Using social media or running contests means that you're able to interact with the very customers you're trying to obtain and get feedback from them. Then there's the simple fact that the web is capable of reaching such a huge audience, including people from all around the world. If you're selling something with international shipping, then this is by far the best way to reach a global audience. For all these reasons, internet marketing is for everyone. No matter what type of business you're running, you should be able to benefit from internet marketing and find that it can help you to increase your brand visibility, grow your audience, and to make bigger profits. Now, some businesses are only able to exist thanks to internet marketing. These are the entirely online businesses, such as people who sell ebooks. Now, ebooks are digital products with no overheads. By marketing them correctly, it's possible to make huge amount of sales which will be almost entirely profit. Ebooks can be something of a hard sell, but the fact that you can reach such a massive audience and engage with them directly means you can get enough turnover to earn big profits. These businesses only exist thanks to internet marketing. Other businesses also rely heavily on internet marketing. If you sell a service online, such as web design or copywriting, then using internet marketing will allow you to ensure that the maximum number of potential clients see your website and consider hiring your services. Knowing how to reach that audience online is the difference between long dry spells, where you aren't bringing in any cash, and a steady flow of orders and income. Of course, the same is also true for an e-commerce business, which exists to turn website visitors into paying customers in a similar way. Amazon actually spends over $1 million a day on Google AdWords alone, which shows you just how much the company values its internet marketing. But it's not just online businesses that can benefit from internet marketing. Big brands like Coca-Cola, Red Bull, Marvel, Ford, Best Buy, they all spend huge amounts on internet marketing because they know that it is now more effective than spending that same money on print media or television. And the same goes for small businesses like hairdressers, restaurants and high street stores, and sole traders like plumbers, builders and lawyers. As we will see, anyone can benefit from internet marketing, and it is the single most efficient way to increase footfall for your company. The only thing holding most people back, of course, is the simple fact that they don't know how to go about internet marketing. They don't understand how SEO works, they're not sure how to reach influencers, and they find social media awkward. If you find yourself in that situation, then don't worry. This video series is going to teach you everything you need to know in order to develop any kind of internet marketing campaign with confidence. Best of all, we'll help you to learn to create smart internet marketing campaigns, the kinds that get maximum results with the least amount of cash and time. We just said that Amazon spends $1 million a day on AdWords, and that might make you wonder how on earth you're supposed to compete. The answer? Well, you're not. Our aim is not to take on huge corporations head to head, but rather to find the path of least resistance, to identify those corners of the web where lots of potential customers are waiting and no one is currently marketing to them. You're going to learn how to do that and much more over the course of this series. Specifically, you'll learn how to choose a niche and find your audience, how to create a stunning website in no time at all, how to drive conversions so that visitors equal customers, how to climb the ranks of Google using smart SEO, how to provide value through a blog and become a thought leader in your industry, how to build and run a mailing list, how to create a thriving and popular social media channel, how to write stunning articles and killer sales scripts, how to use press releases, video sales letters, sales pages, and other tools, how to work with other internet marketers, how to create your online business, and a whole lot more. So let's get down to it. And we'll do that in the next video.